I need you to hear this right now before you scroll past one more video promising you the moon and stars for clicking buttons. What if I told you there was a platform that pays you just to talk, to simply share your opinion? This is Usertesting.com. And yes, it's a real platform that literally pays a real money to real people just for being a real human being. Not to dance in the street, not to click 45 ads until your eyes cross, not to solve complex mathematical equations from another universe. Just talk. Share your thoughts. Now, before your mind starts imagining private jets and champagne showers, relax, breathe. Let me walk you through how this thing really works. I'm talking the good, the bad, and the funny realities nobody ever tells you. And by the end, you will see why people who know quietly call it the ultimate sofa side hustle. So, are you ready? Let's go. So, what is this thing? Usertesting is a platform where big, serious companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Netflix pay everyday humans to test their stuff. They need you to test their website, their apps, their new prototypes. They want to know how a real person experiences their products. So let me make this very clear. You are not coding, you are not building the app, and you are not doing any marketing. You are just using your natural human instincts and sharing your honest opinions. And apparently, in this century, your honest thoughts have a price tag, and that is dollar price tag. Here's the flow. It's straightforward. Step 1, you create an account and it's absolutely free. Step 2, they give you a practice test. Now listen, this is not jam. No one is grading your accent or your intelligence. Step 3, you just speak clearly, follow the simple instructions and complete it. And that's it. You are demonstrating that you can share feedback. Once you are approved, you will start seeing available tests pop up on your dashboard. Think of it like this. Brands come to Usertesting because they are desperate to answer questions like, why do people hate this new button? Is our checkout page confusing? Why is our search bar hiding in the corner like someone who owes rent? Your job is to be able to answer these simple questions. Now let's talk about the different types of tests and how you can actually earn. They come in 3 main flavors. Flavor number 1, the simple survey. Some days it's just this. No camera, no microphone, just click, answer a few questions and submit. Beautiful, simple, and done in minutes, right? Now, flavor number 2, the record test. This is classic. You'll be given a website or app to use and you will talk through your experience out loud. They want to hear your real-time thought. So, if you are the type who already talks to their computer screen, then congratulations, you were born ready for this job. Flavor number 3, the premium live conversation. This is the big league. A real researcher or designer from the company video calls you for a one-on-one interview. They ask detailed questions, you give detailed answer. And the pay for this one, it's usually the juiciest. Now let me be brutally honest with you. Some people hype this platform like it will replace your 9-to-5 job. Let's bring things back to earth. The good side is very good. You earn in dollars for your honest opinion. You work from anywhere, your sofa, your bed, and the cafe. It requires no special degree or skill, just your ability to think and speak. It's completely flexible, no schedules. But here's the reality check nobody tells you. You cannot always sign up. They don't accept new testers 24/7. It depends on the demand. So you might find yourself applying and getting the heartbreaking message like, thanks for your interest, unfortunately, blah, blah, blah. Here's the funny part. It's not personal. They didn't check your Instagram. They didn't judge your profile picture. They just don't need more people at that exact moment. So the trick I will give you right now is don't give up. Try applying at different times, morning, night, weekends. People get in eventually. Number 2, the tests are not unlimited. You won't have a $10 test waiting for you every hour. Availability depends on your demography and the company's testing. Some days are busy, some days are quiet. Number 3, you need to be clear. Mumbling into your microphone don't work. They pay for clear, articulate feedback. So let's talk numbers because I know that's the exact reason why you are still here. A standard recorded test usually pays $10 for about 15 to 20 minutes of your time. Some shorter surveys pay like $3 to $4 to $5. Those premium live interviews, that's where you see $30, $60, or even $90 and above for a longer, more in-depth session. So let's manage the expectation. This will not replace your salary, full stop. But what it can do is reliably fund your data plan for the month. It can cover your weekly groceries, It can pay the DSTV subscription or that electricity bill. It is consistent, legitimate small win money that adds up all in dollars. So how do you get your money? It's refreshingly simple. Usertesting pays via PayPal. Once you hit the $10 minimum threshold, you can request a payout. It usually arrives in your PayPal account quickly. From there, you can use a trusted service to convert and withdraw your dollars to your local bank account. It's a smooth, proven system. So the final question, should you try Usertesting? Absolutely yes, if you understand what it is. A flexible, legitimate side income that pays you for your mind and your time. It's perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, freelancers between gigs, or anyone with a few spare moments and a clear internet connection. Just don't expect champagne money. Expect treat yourself money. Expect breathe easier this month money. And in this economy, that is still a massive win. So if you want more honest, no hype reviews of real platforms like this, where I break down exactly what to expect, then let me know. Drop a comment below right now and say review more side hustles for me. That's how I will know what to make next for you. If this video saved you from a scam or gave you a real option, do me a solid, smash the like button, subscribe, and share it with that your one friend who needs a real side hustle. Remember, the goal isn't to get rich from one thing, but to build multiple streams of income. So whatever you do, never stop making money.